Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Homescapes game on your Android device. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Start off by open your Play Store on your Android phone and then go to the search box and type in Homescapes and search. Once you find this application from Playrix, simply tap on the install button to begin with the download process. Now wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your Android phone. Homescapes is a popular mobile game developed by Playrix. It combines elements of match 3 puzzles with a home renovation simulation. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the play button to play the game on your Android phone. And that's how you can easily download Homescapes application for your Android. You can now start playing the game by tapping the play button or simply tap on Save Progress and log in using your Google or your Facebook account. So that's how you can easily download Homescapes on your Android phone within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.